Subscribe.
Once, the Buddha stood before an immense crowd, monks, nuns, lay practitioners, kings, devas, and the Creator beyond all realms. They gathered experiencing a teaching, a sermon, words that could be remembered, repeated, carried home. Instead, he held up a flower, no explanation, no metaphor, no instruction, just a flower lifted into the air. This may be the earliest recorded act of performance art, an intentional gesture placed inside a charged communal space, refusing explanation, refusing usefulness. The Buddha does not teach about reality. He stages reality. Performance art is dangerous this way. It doesn't tell you what to think. It asks whether you can remain present without reaching for meaning. Holding up a flower in silence before thousands of devoted followers is a risk of misunderstanding, a risk of disappointment, a risk of being dismissed as absurd. This is not transcendence by authority, it is vulnerability. The Buddha placed himself inside the moment with them without protection. Most of the crowd waits. They wait for the explanation, for the commentary, for the teaching to begin. And one person smiles. Mahākāśyapa does not understand the flower, he meets it. This is the heart of the performance, not transmission of information, but recognition. No decoding, no symbolism, just direct contact with what is already here. This is scared performance art, not frightening, but vulnerable. Art that risks silence, art that risks being met with nothing, art that cannot defend itself with explanation. The Buddha does not rescue the moment. He does not clarify. He allows the not knowing to do the work. We often imagine awakening as an answer. The flower sermon suggests otherwise. Awakening may be the capacity to remain present when no answer arrives. Later, the Buddha names what occurred. The true Dharma is not contained in words. It is transmitted outside formal teaching. This is not anti-intellectual. It is preconceptual. Before belief, before doctrine, before self and other. In creative arts therapy, something similar can happen. A patient makes a sound, a movement, a mark on paper, and the work begins only if it is not explained too quickly. Meaning emerges when presence is trusted. The flower sermon is not over. Every time someone waits for life to explain itself, the flower is raised again. The question is not, what does this mean? The question is, can I stay? Leave any thoughts in the comment section below, and please subscribe. Hello, this is Enrico, licensed creative arts therapist, New York State.